Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to talk about what are the pre-install applications which came along with the iQOO 7 Pro. So this is the iQOO 7 Pro friends, and just now I did do the unboxing, and right now I'm going to show you what are the pre-install applications which came along with the iQOO 7 Pro device. So right now if you try to look at the applications list, there is an Amazon application which came pre-installed, and we do have the Facebook application, and along with that there is a Google Pay application as well. And next LinkedIn, we do have that, and Netflix and PhonePay is there. So there are a lot of other pre-install applications which has been installed in this iQOO 7 Pro by default. And Sheets we got, and Snapchat, and we do have the smart remote because that's IR blaster which is present, but we do have the Spotify. So Spotify, Snapchat, so there are a lot of other applications so which came along with this kind of bloatware, so which is iQOO 7 Pro device. These are the few applications guys which did install in this smartphone pre-installed. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on the iQOO 7 Pro.